how to remove payment method on Facebook. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a step-by-step tutorial to remove the payment method from our Facebook application. Without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by opening up the Facebook app for that. And once we open up the Facebook app, what we can do is we can directly look out for the menu option. From the new update, we can look out for the menu option usually in the top left. You can tap on that option and open up the menu directly, and we'll be finding a menu option pop up on our screen. Now from here, what we can do is look out for the option called settings and privacy and drop it down. And within here, we can access our settings from here. So tap on settings and go ahead and access our settings here. And we need to go to the payment section. So once the space pops up like this, we can scroll down and go to the section for payment method where we can manage our payment info and activity. So tap on add payment and there we'll be finding a section for payment method. So we have our balance available here, our account number, outstanding balance, etc., and a section called payment method. So tap on add payment method and there you'll be finding an option to add up a payment method. You can follow that process. But if you want to remove a payment method, what we'll be having all of the payment listed right below the payment method section. So we can find that particular payment that we would like to remove and tap on it and then just go and confirm that. And once we confirm it up, the payment method will be removed from our Facebook account. You can just go and follow that process and you should easily be able to remove your payment method from your Facebook account. So that's it everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.